Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to update your relationship status on Facebook to Engaged. This is a special moment, and you want to share it with your friends and family in a way that's both personal and public. Here's how you can do it using your mobile device. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, you'll see a menu icon in the bottom right corner. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to access the menu. From the menu, select Your Profile to go to your Facebook profile page. Here, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it to start making changes to your profile. Now, scroll down to the Details section. You'll see an Edit button next to it. Tap on this to access more detailed options about your profile. In the Details section, scroll down until you find the Relationship option. Next to it, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Tap on this pencil to change your relationship status. A list of options will appear, including single, in a relationship, engaged, and more. Select Engaged from this list. You can also add your partner by typing their name and selecting them from the suggestions. Once you've selected Engaged, you can choose to add the year, month, and day you got engaged if you want. Additionally, you can set the privacy of this information to public, friends, or only me, depending on how much you want to share. Finally, tap Save to update your relationship status. This will ensure that your new status is visible on your profile according to the privacy settings you've chosen. That's it. You've successfully updated your relationship status to Engaged on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using Facebook effectively. Thanks for watching.